So what people, we are right now on location for the Fatty and Son series. So this is my mechanic workshop. I'm your latest mechanic in town. So look around. You can see the cars I'm doing. You can see. What on? Yeah. So Fatty and Sons Autos. So this is my shop. You see the kind of car that I do. I do a lot of cars. If you bring your car here, I can handle it very well. Don't bother, don't mind anything. Your car is another. You bring the car here. So in this movie, in this series, I'm Kome, and I'm a mechanical engineer. I handle all sorts of cars. You understand? I take care of all of them. I put them in order. I make sure that everything is fine. You can see this one that I'm working on. Very soon now, it will be perfect. So from now on, as you're watching, I'm going to give you day-to-day activities of how I'm doing as your mechanic. So don't hesitate to bring your car to me so I can put them in order. You know what I mean? You understand what I'm talking about? I will take care of it. I will take care of it. I'll put them in order. Okay? So call me or visit Fatty and Sons Autos so that we can handle your car. We'll put them in shape. You feel me? We'll put them in shape. This is a big auto place where we diagnose cars, where we put cars in order, where we make sure that everything is in place. So, once your car is having an issue, get them here. We handle it. You know, when you have a carburetor that is not connecting well and the vehicle is not moving in a proper position, that means the injector is having what we call a tromba incocopicocosh. Did you hear that? Your injector is having what we call a tromba incocopicocosh. That's you need to bring it, we overhaul it, and refill the oil. We bring it for total overhauling. So we handle it very well. As you can see, I have one car that my partner here is handling. We put the car in order. This is another car that we are about to fix. You can see? I told you. Fatty and Sons Autos. Your one stop for all your cars problem. Okay? We'll take care of them. We'll put them in a better condition. So you have to come. Trust us. I am your latest mechanic in town. You can have the. You see? I'm about to handle this one. I'll put them where they need to be. You feel me? In case you don't know, we still have some carpenters at work here. Whereby, if you need them to fix the seats, they will handle it and put that in the car. So, it's a big shop. It's a big shop.
Hey, come. I don't define you. You see what
A big shop.
You
Or you
come
can
like
do a
this.
lot.
I'm coming down here.
So these uniforms of some people.
Sorry.
You see them? These are uniforms. People are here. That is working. So my boys in the octo shop. You feel me? You feel me? I hope you're feeling me. So Fatty and Sauce Autos, bring your car. We'll take care of that. Okay? We'll handle your car. We'll put them in a good place.
I hope you are not adding me to your.
You don't know who.
Eh?
That's how we do.
That's how you roll.
We fix your car.
Yes.
We take care of your car.
Of course.
So this is Fatty and Sauce Autos. You see this car? Very soon now we'll put them in shape. So your mechanic is here. So by the time I handle this car, you will never know the car again. You feel me? You feel me? Your latest mechanic in town. Your latest mechanic in town. Okay? Just watch and see. Watch and see. Huh? Watch and see. I put them in a good condition. I put them in order. Watch and see. Alright? So, see you soon. See you there.